how to take the door handle off this Porsche Macan. It's really simple. First you need to pop off this weather strip, and behind here you will find a larger hole. That hole is in line with the door handle. Inside there is a little circular clip. Well, it's not a clip, it's actually a sliding mechanism that you then want to be able to, using a tool like this, pull back. But don't pull it back until you've pulled your handle right out, because it locks it all in place. As soon as you've done that, you are able to take your handle off. First remove this locking plastic, and then you can pull the handle out itself, which just slides out. All right, putting it back in is exactly the same way. Slide that section in, and then you slide your handle in. Now it's really important that you have this section on the handle first when you're putting it back together. Slide it in, lock it, push in your black plastic to lock it, and now when you go back into this little hole, you push that forward, it locks the door handle in.